So you can reach out for that other rope.
No. I can do it.
You want a girl to save him?
And keep your back to the tree. And swing your left leg around. Pull down on those ropes to counteract your weight. And then you want to reach around this tree with your left arm.
No, I have terrible
Grab
balance.
this long rope.
Well, you want easy way?
This one's the fun one.
There you go. Now that one's going to help you a whole lot. So you want to pull down on it, both hands if you need to.
That's how Selena did it.
Use it so you can reach out for another rope.
Can I let go of this one?
Yeah, I would. Because you're going to need to get your body across on this side.
Feet on the element. I did a good 2 seconds without it.
There you go.
Hold on to it, and then pull into your landing.
Keep pulling on it.
Let go of that other rope. That's where Aaron came in saying that we have to let go.
No. A little bit further, and then you should be able to reach out for that rope.
On your other side.
Just pull down hard on the long one in your right hand.
No, behind you. No, just put it
And
over.
lean out.
Go for it. Go for it.
Lean and pull on it. There you go. Perfect. Just keep sliding on in. That's the hard part, really.
Let's go.
There's your smile.